Hey there, YouTube folks. It's Dennis again. I'm back with another RV tip. I'm currently trying to remove the oxidation on my North Trail camper, and I found a product that works really well. I thought I'd share with you. So let's take a look at what I've got. Okay, here's the product. It's called Meguiars 67 One-Step Compound. Aggressive Cleaner Polish Plus Polish. Removes heavy oxidation, tough, hard water spots and scratches. Restores neglected surfaces, producing amazing shine and luster. Excellent results by hand or machine. I would say you want to do machine for certain. Again, it's Meguiars 67 One-Step Compound. You can get this at Harbor Freight. It's 30 bucks for 1 quart. This stuff works great. I've tried some other things that are like for automobiles, and it just doesn't do what this does. And the way I'm using this is I'm applying it to a pad here that goes onto this orbital buffer I have. I apply it on here, put a few swirls on there, and of course put it on the buffer. This is a Black & Decker polisher, 8-inch. Random orbit action, 1/3 horsepower. So this one would be on here, and then I will take the orbital polisher and just kind of smooth it around on there and just let it go to work. And after a while, it will start clearing up that oxidation and shining it up. Okay, here's the application of it. You can see this one down here, this one's pretty used up, so I used that one for the first half. Put it on, it's pretty thick. So I just put it on in a swirl like this. It's pretty thick stuff. And then just take that and kind of smooth it around on the area that you're going to work with, and then turn on the machine and let it start its work. I have had to do it a couple times, 2 or 3 times, to get the oxidation off, especially up just above the North Trail emblem there, where it really starts getting oxidized. But eventually it will clean it up. Okay, so here's the top where it meets the roof line that you cannot see from the ground level. And I've got to get up on top of the camper and apply it up there from the roof. But you can see how nice and polished. Now, is it perfect? No. You probably can't tell that in the camera lens, but it is still, a little flawed. It's not like brand spanking new, but it's pretty nice. It does a good job. So I highly recommend this. You can see over there the difference from this angle. All right, here's a status update. I'm about 3/4 done, maybe a little more. I just got to go up to the top level there, but you can see how different it is. It does bring that paint back to life. It does a great job. It isn't exactly perfect, especially around like the emblems. It's hard to get in there because you don't want to mess up your emblems. So stay away from those stickers. But I am putting it on there. I'm putting it on the stickers and running it. I'm just not spending a lot of time on it, buffing it, right? So as you get up top here, you can see the difference in the color. So let me go up here and finish this out. Works great. Okay, I thought I'd just try and go for a demo. Here's the pad I'm using. Just a terry cloth pad. I've already used it quite a bit, but I'm just going to put quite a bit of this on here. It's really thick stuff, so I put quite a bit. Kind of fill up the pad. Then go up to the finish. Let's show you what you do. You just kind of smooth it around like this. Smooth it around. get it where you're going to work, the surface you're going to work on. Move it all around the surface. All right. Once you get it smoothed around, can you see it? You see it? All right, I'm going to turn it on so it's going to be loud. All right, I'm not done yet. I'm going to stop the recording and do some more. You can see it's still kind of white. I'm going to keep on buffing it until that clears up. I'm not going to put any more on. I'm just going to keep buffing it with that for another 5-10 minutes, the whole area, and it will eventually clear up, and then I'll put some more on it. Do it again. It takes about 3 times to get that much oxidation off your RV. So, but it does work, and it really makes it look good. So let me get back to it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick review of how to use this microfiber cloth with your orbital polisher. So this is an 8-inch diameter random orbit action polisher. It's a Black & Decker. I'm sure you can get one at Harbor Freight or somewhere, but I've had this one for a long time. All you do is you just put your microfiber that you get it at Harbor Freight, just put it on there like that. And I'm going to go up here because that's all that's left up top is to do this. You just got to be careful and hold the pressure on it all the time. That's all there is to it. It just that's your first buff. So there's a little bit of the one step on here. You can tell it's still taking some of that oxidation off. So this is the first buff, and then the last buff that you'll use is a thicker cotton type of polisher. So that's a demo of how to do that. Let me get back to it and get finished. Okay, I'm up on top of the travel trailer. I wanted to come up here and finish up because I can't reach this from the ladder. And you can see the area there that's not completed all the way across the top. So this Meguiars one step really works good in buffing this out and bringing that finish back to life and leaving a wax finish. And we'll see how it turns out when it's completed, and time will tell as to how long this Meguiars will stand up to the elements. All right, let me get back to work. I'll be back with you in a few minutes. Okay, I've finished up the polishing phase all the way across, and then I've also used the microfiber cloth to do the initial polishing. Next is this kind of cottony pad. I'm going to finish buffing it out with that, and that has been just finishing it up real nice, taking off all the excess material and giving the camper a really nice fresh look. All right folks, there's the finished product. I have buffed out the entire front cap on this thing, and it looks great. It looks almost brand new. I also buffed out the fake black plastic diamond plate with it, and I suggest that you just use what's left over on your buffing pad for that. Don't add any additional Meguiars to it. Just use what's left to buff it, and then clean it up with a fresh terry cloth buffing pad. I hope you get something out of this demonstration and recommendation. Meguiars is not paying me to do this, just something I'm doing for fun. So if you like the video and the content, well, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and look for some more videos to be published. And thanks for watching to the end, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.